Om Namaha Shivaya. Here you seeing unbelievable collection of conch of Indian Ocean. It's a Shivalingam Lord Krishna crawling conch. See here you can see the Shivalingam, naturally Shivalingam image. You can see the Yoni at top bottom, and here you can see unbelievable like Lord Krishna's crawling, baby Krishna's crawling. It's unbelievable high power spiritual conch. When you do pujas with this conch, your pujas and prayers will definitely get success, and you can feel very high spiritual energy by using this conch in the puja. It's such a wonderful conch. See, you can see clear image of Lord Baby Krishna's calling, and beautiful Shivalingam. Wonderful conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Beautiful conch. Unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.